Hi, today I will be showing you how to fix mic not working on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. First, you need to go to your search menu and then look for settings, tap on settings. And what you're going to do here is you have to look for privacy. So here you have to locate privacy, which is this one, double tap or click. Now here on your microphone section, you should see the following options right here, such as if you want to change your microphone, you can just basically tap on change. And if you scroll down here, you should see this allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure that you turn this one on. Now you need to choose which Microsoft Store apps can access your microphone. So one of the reasons why it's not functioning because you haven't turned this one on. So it will not let the feature or it will not allow the feature to use microphone. So all you have to do here is to turn on most of the application that you use in order for you to use your microphone right here. So once done, go back and try to open and see if it fixed microphone not working. Second option is just go to your control panel, and then this time you have to look for hardware and sound. Tap on this one. Here you have to scroll down again and look for the sound option. Tap this. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to select the microphone that you're using. Make sure that you set this as default. For example, this is the one you're using, so you have to tap set as default right here. Another thing is that you can double click or double tap that microphone and make sure that if you tap levels, it should be 100%. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.